Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a creator looking to grow your YouTube channel and make it look more professional, this quick tutorial is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos. The little clickable watermark that appears in the corner of your videos and helps turn viewers into subscribers. Let's get started. First, you'll need a subscribe button image. You can either create your own using tools like Photoshop or Canva, or simply download a free one online. Just make sure it's a square image, preferably with a transparent background, and around 150 by 150 pixels for best results. Once your button is ready, head over to YouTube Studio, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose View Your Channel. On your channel page, click Customize Channel. Now you'll be taken to the channel customization section. From here, go to the Branding tab. Scroll down a bit until you see Video Watermark. This is where we'll upload our subscribe button. Click Upload, find the image on your computer, and select it. You can crop or adjust it if needed. Once you're happy, press Done. You'll see a small preview of how it will appear in the bottom right corner of your videos. Next, you can choose when the watermark will appear, either at the end of the video, at a custom time, or throughout the entire video. I recommend selecting entire video so your button is always visible. When everything looks good, hit Publish. Now, go open one of your videos, and there it is. A clean, clickable subscribe button in the corner of your video. Viewers can now hover over it and subscribe instantly, and that's it. Super easy, right? If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips and creator guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.